Years ago, I found out that there was a deep fake video using my face, and it was a friend from the industry who reached out to me and told me about it. I understand that being public property, is one of the trade-offs of this job. Alam yan ni Sen Robin Hood. Pero sana naman only up to a certain extent, di ba? Putting ourselves out there doesn't give people consent to demean us, defame us, harass, or take us apart, or do whatever they want to do with us. When I learned of my deepfake, my reaction was both internal and physical. As in, para akong nasusuka. I felt ill, nauseated, confused, and stunned in the beginning. Then, it was disgust and anger for being violated as a person in a revolting and humiliating way. I mean, I think any one of us, kung makita natin yung mukha natin na nasa isang porn video, I don't know how you'd feel, but it's really nakakabastos.